loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm giving you guys a quick hair review on this hair right here, as well as a tutorial on how I customized and styled this unit. So if you guys want all the deets, then make sure you stay tuned. Okay, love, so you guys should have just saw an unboxing of this hair, as well as how I customized this unit, how I customized the frontal, as well as how I styled the curls. So you guys should have saw the curls before I put product in it and then after I put product in it. So just to give you guys a quick reminder, this hair is courtesy of TINASHE. I want to say it's TINASHE hair, and so it came in this packaging. Like you guys already saw, I absolutely love it. So I actually love their packaging. This little bag that you guys see, you can put your unit back in here and it actually feels very sturdy, and like your unit would last a while in this packaging. So inside it did come a little piece of paper that gives you some information on how to care for your hair. So that's what I got right here. They did give me a mirror that says TINASHE, so I thought that was super cute. I'll show you guys. So this is the mirror. Just to give you guys the deets of this hair, this is their Brazilian curly hair, and I have 3 bundles in 22 inch and then 2 24 inches, and then I have a 20-inch frontal. So I was able to get all of the hair into this unit, with the exception of literally this small piece right here. So if you guys can see that, this is what's left of 22 inches, but everything else is in this unit. So as you guys know, with frontals, because the frontals come all the way around, more than likely you don't need all 3 bundles. It's definitely a preference. I prefer to have 3 or more bundles, and so I definitely like squish the hair in. But thankfully your girl's install game has improved dramatically, because this unit is just laid so flat and just is gorgeous. Okay, it is gorgeous. So as of right now, they did did not send me the link to the hair, so I'm not sure how much the hair retails for, but I'll definitely put that in the description box as soon as I have it. So just so you guys can feel the vibe I was going for, if you guys know, Easter or Resurrection Sunday is approaching us on Sunday, of course, and so I just wanted to go with more of a floral theme and, you know, just these beautiful curls, you know, makeup popping. So if you guys are paying attention towards the end of the video, you guys should have saw my brand new phone case that I've had for quite some time, but I'm just getting around to actually using it and showing it to you guys. It's actually courtesy of HANOGRAM. They were kind enough to send me this beautiful phone case that you see right here. I was actually able to choose which one I wanted and get my name customized right here. I actually love it more so when the case is off because my case is black, so you can't really see it, but there it goes. So that's what it looks like.
Lights, camera, action, and drama, and thrillers, and rom-com.
Oh, okay. Lights, camera, action. At least she knew what I was doing, right? So yeah, what I was telling you guys is, so this is
if you say so.
What? Y'all hear her talking to me? Y'all, I'm legit like shook. So shook. Either way, so this is what the case looks like without my phone in it. But if you guys can see, my name, RhythmNBeauty, is right here in the middle, and I just think that is absolutely gorgeous. And because we are in spring and I'm kind of going for the whole floral thing because, you know, it's Easter, Resurrection Sunday, I just figured this would be a perfect combination. You know what I'm saying? So I'm definitely going to give you guys a coupon code. It should be across the screen, so you guys check that out if you guys are interested in getting personalized cell phone cases. And so back to this hair. Okay, so as far as my personal thoughts about this hair, I absolutely love this hair. Now, I was a little bit concerned because I've definitely rocked curly hair before. I'm pretty sure I probably rocked Brazilian curly hair before, but for some reason these curls just look so much tighter. Like, I don't know if it was like kinky curly type. Like, that's kind of what I thought when I first saw it. So I was like, I'm not really sure how this is gonna look, but y'all see this? Like, y'all, this hair is gorgeous. When I tell y'all this hair is gorgeous, like it's gorgeous. Honestly, for my initial review, I don't have any cons as far as the hair. Now with the frontal, you definitely would want to pluck it so that it can look natural. Now, don't mind me. Your girl literally was up all night. When I say all night, I mean all night. I made this wig, went ahead and plucked this wig, and I literally slept for an hour and a half and then had to put this unit on, install it, go get my nails done, all of that. So bear with me because I think I might have over plucked it just a little bit, but I think that I could finesse it. I think I finessed it. I'll say that. I think I finessed it. You guys let me know if it looks like it's, you know, over plucked or whatever. But I definitely feel like it's not a huge deal. I was able to just put some baby hairs and kind of just, you know, rock it like that. And plus, if I wanted to rock it as a side part, I could, but I decided to just rock it in the middle part just because, I don't know, thought it was cute, you know. But yeah, other than that, I really didn't run into much of anything. I did experience shedding, but I wouldn't even say it was the hair shedding. It was because I plucked the frontal, so it was just the hair that was coming out. As you guys should have saw all the hair that came out, but look, this hair is still very voluminous. Like, look at that. This is all of the hair pushed to the front. And look how amazing this hair looks. Like, it's still very voluminous, and it actually is how the hair dried after putting water and product in it. So on camera for you guys, I wanted to show you guys as the video is ending how the hair looks once I kind of manipulate it and play with it a little bit to see how big this hair can actually grow to be. And so yeah, I absolutely love this hair. It's definitely making me feel like I'm summer ready, like I'm gonna be on somebody's beach just looking beat, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm just feeling this hair way too much. This video has been hilarious. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys are thinking, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.